Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to turn text into a simple video in Sora AI. First of all, go open Apple web browser and in the URL box, type in sora.openai.com and search. After a few seconds, you'll land in the home page of Sora AI. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well in order to get to this page. Now, from the Explore page, go to the bottom center and you'll be able to see the prompt box. This is where you describe the video you want. Go ahead and enter the prompt in the Describe Your Image section. Make sure to type in your correct prompt for the kind of video you want. And once you are done, you can also go ahead and select whether you'd like to create image or video. Since we are making a video, let's select video and then select the aspect ratio, resolution, time duration, variation, and presets. And finally click on the little arrow button pointing upwards. Soon after you do that, you'll need to wait for a couple of minutes. You'll see a little activity going on at the top right over here. Wait until the video is created. Once the video is created, click it open and then you'll be able to see that your video has been created. You can also edit your prompt again if you want. View and edit the storyboard for the video that has been generated. Just choose one of the videos and then you can go ahead and make necessary edits. You can also re-edit the prompt, recut the video, blend, loop, and so on. Just make sure to use the tools around at the bottom of the screen. Now once you are happy with the result, you can also download the video. Go to the download button at the top right and select whether you'd like to download the video with watermark or a GIF. Just make sure to select one of the options. I'm just going to select the video option over here and wait for it to download. So that's how you easily create a simple video or turn a text into a simple video in Sora AI. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.